What if I told you AI video is no longer just about generating random clips? It's now about directing scenes, controlling characters, choosing camera lenses, designing cinematic motion, and building full multi shot storytelling sequences, all inside one AI platform. And no, this is not just another small AI update. This is a serious step towards real AI filmmaking. Today, we're talking about Cinema Studio 2.0 from Higgsfield. And trust me, the gap between AI clips and actual cinematic storytelling just got smaller. Let's dive in. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Try Tech AB, where we explore the latest AI tools, tech innovations, and future ready creative platforms. If you love AI video tools, filmmaking, creative control, or content creation, you are going to love today's video. Because today, we are testing and breaking down Cinema Studio 2.0, new character system, multi-shot storytelling 3D scene navigation, genre-based motion logic, speed ramping inside generation, cinema-grade camera control, and I'll show you exactly how this works step by step. So make sure you watch until the end. Cinema Studio 2.0 is the next generation AI filmmaking tool from Higgsfield. The original Cinema Studio focused mainly on creating high-quality individual shots, and those shots were good. But here's the difference now. Version 2.0 is not about single clips anymore. It's about storytelling. You can now cast characters, assign emotions, direct scenes, create up to 6 connected shots, control camera movement, adjust cinematic lenses, and even explore your image as a 3D environment. This is not just AI video generation. This is AI directing. And the biggest difference? Everything happens in one unified workflow. You start with a prompt, generate your image, then turn that image into a cinematic video without switching platforms. That smooth workflow is something most AI tools still struggle with. Now let's jump inside the platform. When you open Cinema Studio 2.0, you first enter the rig building section. And this is where things start to feel professional. Instead of just typing a prompt and clicking generate, you actually choose your camera setup. You can select camera sensor, lens type, for example, Cook style cinematic glass, focal length from 8 mm to 50 mm, aperture settings. And this matters because focal length changes how your scene feels. 8 mm gives you wide dramatic distortion. 35 mm gives natural cinematic perspective. 50 mm gives tighter emotional framing. And aperture controls depth of field. Want creamy background blur? Lower aperture. Want everything sharp? Increase aperture. This is real filmmaking logic, not random AI guessing. Now here's where it gets interesting. After generating your base image, you can enter the image as a 3D scene. Yes, you can move inside the image, adjust perspective, reframe your shot, refine composition. Instead of regenerating 20 times, you adjust inside the environment. That saves time and gives more creative control. There's also a grid option. You can preview variations in 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. This is perfect for storyboarding. You can compare different looks side by side. Choose the best hero frame and lock it in before animation. This makes pre-production feel structured. Now comes the fun part, turning your hero frame into cinematic motion. You can choose camera movement like pan, tilt, truck, dolly, zoom, orbit, drone, static, handheld. No keyframes, no complicated timeline. Just select movement type, and the AI handles it. This is called deterministic motion control. You choose the logic, it executes the movement. This is one of my favorite features. You can select genres like action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, intimate, spectacle. And the motion behavior changes. Action equals faster pacing, energetic camera. Horror equals slower movement, tension building. Comedy equals reaction timing emphasis. This means pacing is no longer random. The AI understands emotional rhythm. That is filmmaking logic. Now let's talk about something big. You can create up to 6 shots per sequence. Each shot, 1 to 12 seconds, 1080p resolution. You have two modes. Auto mode connects shots smoothly. Manual mode, full shot-by-shot control. You can build, establishing shot, medium shot, close-up, reaction shot, and flow them together. This is the closest I've seen AI get to real cinematic scene building. This feature is powerful. You can add up to 3 characters, direct who appears in each shot, assign emotions per shot: happy, sad, angry, surprised, focused. You can even write dialogue, and the system automatically handles lip sync. And the best part? Characters stay visually consistent across shots. No random face changing, no outfit switching. This solves one of the biggest AI problems: consistency. If you're a storyteller, this is huge. Normally in video editing, speed ramping happens in post-production. But here, you adjust speed during generation. Choose slow motion, linear motion, accelerated motion, and compare different versions before finalizing. That means you're not fixing mistakes later. You're directing timing during creation. That is powerful. Another advanced feature: you can upload a specific start frame and a specific end frame, and Cinema Studio generates the in-between frames. These are called tweens. So if you want, start on a character's face, end on a wide landscape. It transitions smoothly. No manual editing required. Cinema Studio is designed for cinematic composition, not just movement. It focuses on mood, lighting, tone, texture, framing. This makes the output feel less AI and more film. And that difference is important. Because creators don't just want motion, they want storytelling visuals. This tool is perfect for YouTube creators, short filmmakers, AI storytellers, commercial concept creators, music video directors, content creators who want cinematic quality. If you're just generating random TikTok clips, you may not use all features. But if you want storytelling, this is serious. Let's recap the full workflow. 1. Enter Cinema Studio 2.02. Select camera gear and lens. 3. Write prompt. 4. Generate hero frame. 5. Enter 3D scene or grid. 6. Lock composition. 7. Choose camera motion. 8. Select genre. 9. Add characters. Assign emotions. 11. Add dialogue. 12. Adjust speed ramp. 13. Generate multi-shot sequence. All inside one platform. That's unified filmmaking. Cinema Studio 2.0 is not perfect. No AI tool is. But this is a major evolution. We are moving from AI clip generation to AI directing. And that changes everything. The gap between AI videos and AI filmmaking just got smaller. And if this pace continues, 2026 is going to be insane for creators. If you enjoyed this deep breakdown, make sure you like this video, subscribe to TriTech AB, comment your thoughts below. Would you use Cinema Studio 2.0 for your projects? And if you want to try it yourself, check the links in the description. This is TriTech AB, and I'll see you in the next tech breakdown. Stay creative, stay ahead.